Hello, in this video I'm going to explain how to make the hook using solid edge part module. We start anew, then we use the GB metric part. Okay. We do the cylinder part, the top part of the hook first. Use Extrude command. Select the plane, click. We use circle by center point to draw a small circle to make a cylinder. And move your mouse to the center and midpoint appears. Click. The diameter of that one is 20. There's a hole on the cylinder which is 12 millimeter diameter and 6 millimeter radius, and then type 6 in the radius box. Then move your mouse to the center, midpoint appears, click, place the second circle, and click on the green tick. Then you can see the window back to 3D. Make sure this symmetric appears, then you can do the symmetric protrusion. The distance is 20, type 20 in distance box, type return, then click on finish. We carry on use extrude to make the rectangle shape here. We use line command and get to this point on and drag down by 20 into 25 in the box, and click and move until it appears 20. Click, move up. When it's reached the point on and tangent, both indicator appears, and click. Right click to cancel the straight line command, and start to click this tangent arc. Use this command to draw arc from the end of the first line and drag slowly and to the end of the third line. So we have to wait this endpoint appears, indicator appears. Click. Okay, right. Now we can click close sketch. The thickness of that part is 10. Just enter 10 into the distance box and press return key and click on finish. We have that part made. Next is going to make the hook body. We use this command, it's called sweep. We use a single pass and cross section to make the body of the hook. Click the bullet point of single pass and move back to the window and click on the front plane. Now we need to move this a bit higher. Press Shift, Control plus right mouse key to move it higher. Then we use circle by center point. Click the command. Move the mouse back to the window. Just highlight this vertical line and drag where this top line appears. That means my mouse is aligned with this vertical line, and click and drag it. The diameter of this one is 90. It's outer diameter of the hook, or the radius is 45. So diameter is 90. Press enter. We have this box, the circle, and we go back to use the line command. We use a line command to set this angle between 35 to 45. One side to other side. So click, right click, cancel the command. Then we use angle between that line and that line. So that is, click and you will have the dimension box appears. Just double check, use the smart dimension, double check whether the circle is still 90. Okay, so 90. Fine, good. Right click, cancel the command. When you need to draw another line, click this line and move to the end of this first line and drag it away. Click. Right click, cancel the command. This time we use angle between vertical line and that one. Right. So this figure should be 135 in order to get the 45-degree angle there between this and this, as you can see from the drawing. Once you've done this one, we need to actually use trim command to remove that line. So that's the line we don't need. Then we use construction command to turn this line to construction line, this line into construction line. Okay. Next is to finish the pass. This is the pass of the. Before we finish the pass, we need to actually set the distance between the center of this pass and the horizontal line as 74, as you can see from the drawing. Right, okay. Now we can actually go to the next step, which is draw a cross section, and let cross section sweep through the pass to make the 3D body. Click on green tick. Here, if we click on finish, the system will automatically move to the next step, which is the cross section step. In this step, we need to draw a profile here. So we need to actually use this plane normal to curve command and click on this one so we can see this plane which is normal to the curve. We drag this to the end of this side of the curve. Then we have this plane appears on the computer. On this one, we need to draw the X shape, as you can see on the drawing. We do that first through two circles. One is 14 millimeter diameter, other one is 10. But these circles has to be on this line. So when the online point appears, just click and drag and enter 14. This is the first one. The second one is 10. So the radius is 5. Just enter 5 in the radius box and press enter. Make sure this online point appears and click. So I got the second one. Right click to cancel the circle. Now we need to set the distance between the center of this circle and the end of the pass, which when you see this indicator appears, that distance has to be 7 so as that can touch the end of pass. Okay, then we need to set the distance between that point and the large circle, and click that point and click again. You'll see the box. The distance between these two is 8, as you can see from the drawing. Now we need to actually make a closed X shape by using straight line and point on and drag, and when it reaches the large circle, there are point on and tangent indicator appears at the same time, and you click down. So that one is down. Right click, cancel the command, and use the line command again, and point on, drag it down, wait for 2 indicator appears, click, right click, cancel the command. Now we need to use trim to remove these lines. loop is done. Now we can actually close sketch. You can see we have a pass here. We have a cross section here. In order to tell the computer which cross section, we need to actually click on the cross section. Then click on finish. You'll see that profile extrude through this pass. If we click on finish now, all the dimension lines disappear. We have this model. The next step is to draw that part. We use this sweep protrusion again. But this time is a multiple pass because multiple pass and cross section because we have different cross section. One is rectangle shape, the other one is the egg shape. Okay. So here we need to actually draw the paths first. So coincident plane and select this. Then use arc, tangent arc command, start from the middle. And drag it down to that position. Right, right click. So that's the path. Click, close sketch. Right, and if we click on finish now, it allows us to draw another path or move to the next because it's multiple paths. When you finish the first one, you can draw the second one and third one and so forth, so on. Until you click on next, move to the next step, which is ask you to draw or select the cross section. Since we have these two cross sections already, we can use this drop down menu and click on the select from sketch and part edges. We select this loop as an edge. So as we can select the entire loop of that one. Make sure you can see one red spot there, and then click and move to the next. If it's not large enough, just make it large enough. Move to the next feature, and you see these red spots. Okay, and the circle is, or the egg shape of the ellipse is highlighted, and click. Right. So we have 1, 2 cross section. So this is the one we want to actually model create through this path. Once you select it, you click on preview, you will see the model be created automatically. Okay, you can see 2 profile from the edge and 1 path. So this is done. Click on finish. The last bit is to create a small tip at the end of this hook. We carry on to use sweep and a multiple one because we can have 2 different cross sections as well. We choose this front plane and move the up. Use tangent arc and drag it. There's no specific requirement for the dimension here. You can just draw a appropriate one yourself. Okay, click and path is done. Click, close sketch. You can see the path, and then we finish the path. We move to the next cross section step. In this step, we need to draw another small profile here. Okay, I do a small circle. I use plane normal to curve, same command. We actually draw this egg shape and drag to the end of this curve and click. You're in the 2D and allows you to draw a circle by center point. Click and drag and then enter the dimension. Again, there's no specific requirement for dimension. You can just have your own dimension here. Press enter. Right. If you close the sketch, you'll see we have paths, we have the cross section. We need to select this one as the second cross section. So we click on finish this one and click on drop down menu, select from, use loop. You can select this one and you do preview, and you can see the system automatically create a model between two profiles through the path. Click on finish. So then you have your hook done. That's it for this video.